Okay, so what I have here is a Python program that is supposed to crash, and that's why I named it crash.py. So when I run this, you can see that I do get an error, a zero division error in the terminal. So this is fine, but uh, a lot of programs can have a lot of bugs. Like look at this one, a C program. So when I try to run this program, it should give me a number of errors. Now, let's let's suppose that I'm not as experienced as now I am uh, with this error text. Let's say I'm a complete beginner and I run into all of this. My first thought would be to copy this and then go to an LLM, right? Go to, let's say, Gemini, and paste it and ask what's wrong. And Gemini would think for a few seconds and do give me what's wrong and how to fix it. Now, what if I try to automate all that and keep it all in the terminal? I mean that I don't have to copy this and go to an LLM and then read it and then bring it back to my terminal. Why not? I just run a script or a command line that tells me exactly what's wrong and how to fix it in the terminal. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to run this script, the python ToErr.py that I just wrote a few hours back, and with that I will try to run that crash.c file. And when I do that, you can see that it used the Gemini API key or Gemini API and then gave me what's wrong and where to go to fix it. It also gives me the concept of what's wrong, like the error message is here, and then it tells me what the problem is, exactly the concept of it, where to look for the error and how to fix it, which line to go to and what to write there. Now this can be helpful while debugging, and also when someone is trying to learn a new language, because many times uh, beginners will just give up because of all these bugs and errors. So when they learn to use or they find it a little easier to understand the terminal a little better, it it also helps them to stay engaged. And that is not just for the beginners, but yeah, anyone could use it. I know that I will be using it. Now the API here is Gemini API, so that's why I'm seeing an API error. That is because Gemini API is in demand right now. But yeah, it does run, and it almost always works. But the problem it fixes is not really all that essential. A veteran will not probably need all this. He would know from years of trial and error that what exactly went wrong and how to fix it. But say someone like me, someone like a beginner, would definitely want to use the help of some kind of AI, some kind of LLM. So for them, this should be nice. And here it is, the ToErr.py script that was written. It is just a few hundred 140 lines of code. And yeah, the link to the GitHub repository will be in the description, and you are mm, more than welcome to check it and improve on it. And yeah, I will be working on this because I want to use this tool for myself. And since API costs money, you have to use the Gemini API for the functionality, and for that you have to get the API key and store it into a .env file, the .environment file. And I will not be showing mine because I would have to get a new one after that, so I don't want to show mine. But yeah, it is here. And yeah, that's it.